Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Like so many other issues relating to women's health in Pakistan, breast cancer is not a subject of serious discussion in the country, largely on account of social taboos. Full stop. Breast cancer mortality rates in Pakistan are said to be the highest in Asia. Full stop. New paragraph. The extent of its prevalence can be gauged by the fact that at least 90,000 new cases are diagnosed every year in the country, and annually some 40,000 women succumb to it. Full stop. This might just be the tip of the iceberg when one considers that most women are reluctant to talk about any abnormality in their breasts or to seek medical assistance. Full stop. It is tragic that a large number of women should succumb to a largely treatable, especially if detected early disease, just because they were ashamed to talk about it with doctors. Full stop. New paragraph. October is observed across the world as the month of breast cancer awareness. Full stop. It is among the most prevalent cancers in the world and the most common in women. Full stop. According to the WHO, breast cancer caused around 685,000 deaths worldwide in 2020, and 2.3 million women were diagnosed with it. Full stop. Though awareness about the disease in Pakistan has witnessed an improvement in urban areas where there is greater education and better health facilities, not much has changed for the rural poor who can only turn to understaffed and ill equipped dispensaries or basic health units for medical assistance. Full stop. New paragraph. A number of public and private buildings have been lit up pink this month, while the government has also launched an awareness campaign via a recorded message on mobile networks. Full stop. But that is not enough. Full stop. The government should launch a nationwide free screening campaign in collaboration with private hospitals, at least in the month of October, for the early detection of new cases. Full stop. The assurance that female medical staff would conduct the screening may encourage more women to get themselves checked. Full stop. A national cancer registry is also needed so that all cases become part of the public record for effective policy making. Full stop.